Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ha kabaya day bat kajing syakem jong ki katu kat ni Ngut ki Briew ki baladan kti ban Shoh bandat ye ki Riu Peit ba ha kapuar ba kaseng FKJJP kala pelong ye kajing yat Peit ba na mot pran samadan yoring hap fire brigade u menteri rang ba ka jela u Conrad ki sangma uloong ba ha pedeng kami jong ka artarek bat ha ka step jong ka lai tarek u benai nai wing arhajar arpo ar katenat pulet haduk menta kala yo ban kem haduk saw Ngut ki Briew bat menta kadang penlong ye kajing twen na ka benta ki san Ngut pan ki bala pedri na ka yeng sa jong ki uloong bala kem no egite ki Briew Hadien bala itu eki na ke video bat kite ki basya kem ki de bala don kti ban thau jingkol mar ha ka tu sniat Peit ba u Conrad uloong ru ba we na preng ki saw Ngut ki bala sya kem u de bala don kti teng ha ki we ki jingja.
Last night there was some movements that were made by the police in multiple locations in multiple towns and cities, and based on that, as per my information as of now, I don't know if it's changed because I have not taken the report for the last 10 hours. I've been quite busy, but the report I got in the morning was that 3 people have been arrested last night, and there is a lookout for another 4 people or maybe about 5 people, and they are absconding right now. And these are people who have been identified based on videography, and these are people who were involved in the violence. As I had mentioned last time, that we had seen that there was a certain group of people, very small group of few people who were actually involved in this violent activity, and hence the search is on. And as I had mentioned earlier, that based on law, necessary action will be taken.
Sir, total how many arrests so far?
So one was arrested earlier, which was in a different incident, which happened in last stop. But the ones that were on camera, which was in the traffic jam that took place because of the children who were coming out of school, and there was a jam that time, and the attacks that took place. For those, 3 of them have been arrested as per my information right now, and 1 earlier, so total 4. And as I said, the search is on for the others also.